Okay, let's talk about the GAOMON S620. So around 2 years ago, I did a review of the tablet, and to this day, whenever somebody asks me for a tablet recommendation for OSU, my go-to recommendation is still the S620. In my opinion, it's still the best tablet that you can get for under $40. Currently on Amazon, it's going for $33.99 USD. And I also want to mention that there is a newer version of the S620 called the S630, but I haven't tried that tablet yet, so I can't say whether or not it's as good as the S620. If you want a full in-depth review of the tablet, you can watch my original video, which will be linked in the description below. But this tablet is pretty much just a huge dub all around. You get a battery-free pen, which is super important because of the weight that a battery adds. And also, the S620 is a good medium size, which will fit almost any playstyle, unless you're Zoodinator. And you also get an abundant amount of spare nibs that come with the tablet, but you really don't even need them, to be honest. I dragged on the S620 for over a year, and I didn't even have to change my nibs once. So unless you drag super hard, which in that case, if you're dragging hard enough to like vaporize nibs, then you probably want to tone it down anyways. The tablet port on the S620 is detachable micro USB, which is great. I love when tablets come with a detachable cable, just because that means that if the cable ever breaks or if the cable isn't long enough, you can always swap it out for a third-party cable, which I actually did. And grip is another important thing. I've tried tablets where the grip is just non-existent on the bottom and it just slides around on your desk when you're trying to play, which is super annoying. The grip on the S620 is great. I've never had problems with the tablet sliding around on my desk just because there's like 4 solid rubber feet on the bottom. So it grips to your desk really, really well. As for the pen when you compare it to a CTH480 pen is quite a bit thicker. But that pretty much just comes down to personal preference on whether you play better with thin or thick pens. For me, I like a thinner pen, which is why I currently use the CTH480, but I know some of my friends like the S620 pen more than the CTH480 pen, so it's really just down to preference, but the pen is solid. It's just a little bit thicker than the CTH480 pen. As for software, we don't really have to talk about software because you're not going to be using the GAOMON ones for OSU. The S620 is compatible with the Open Tablet Driver software, which I also did a video on if you need help setting up. That video will be in the description below. But this software is great and I definitely recommend using it if you have a compatible tablet, and the S620 is a compatible tablet. As for tablet responsiveness, there's no issues with the S620. It's very snappy and smooth. I would even say it's on paper, there's more report rates than the CTH480, and you can actually feel it a little bit, not enough to make a difference obviously, but it does feel a little bit smoother than my CTH480. So yeah, I just wanted to make this really quick video just to say, like, if you're looking for a tablet and you want my recommendation, my go-to recommendation is the S620. So if you're a mouse player and you're looking to pick up a tablet for OSU and you want to switch over, you want to change playstyles, maybe try out tablet, then I would definitely recommend picking up the S620. And if for whatever reason you don't want the S620, then my second recommendation would be the Wacom One tablet, which right now is going for $60 on Amazon. So if you don't want the S620 for whatever reason, then I would go with the Wacom One, which I will also leave a link to in the description. So I'll leave a link for both those tablets in the description below, and that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give my 2 cents on the S620, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.